Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're up at Kalamunda History Village and I just thought I would show you this little McDonald road roller they've got here. This was manufactured in about 1952 by McDonald in Victoria. They're a 4 horsepower stationary engine. There used to be hundreds of these around. You don't see them so much anymore. They're a brilliantly reliable engine. McDonald made stationary engines, windmills and quite a lot of road rollers. This one was used by the Kalamunda Shire Council from new up until I think about 2002 when it came to the museum up here. They're a fantastically simple machine to operate. There's a high and low range under the seat here. There's a forward and reverse lever here that operates on clutches on either side of it here. Depending on which way you push the lever, it engages one clutch or the other, and there's basically nothing more to it than that. There is a brake lever at the back here. It doesn't really do a lot, as most brakes don't on vehicles this age. So yeah, it's a nice little road roller, and I just thought I'd stop and show it to you quickly. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this little video and I hope to see you again next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.